we're doing. We're gonna make a computer screen kind of thing. I don't know. It's like a keyboard thing. There we go. He's drinking Yahoo in the background.
Thank you.
Ooh la la. Ooh 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 ooh. Hey, stop. Stop. Where's mine? Let me find mine. He made me delete this thing. I don't have my keyboard thingy.
No, I didn't. That was all you.
No, it was you. It was you. Oh my god. Now I have it back in my head. We're not gonna tell you anything.
What's back in your head?
Nothing.
Okay.
None of your business. Customize my keyboard.
Hey.
Why?
No, what? Dorito. Dorito.
Oh, it's a bad. What the frick? Why is that locked?
Because you have to unlock it.
I unlocked it. I already had it last time.
Yeah.
This one looks so freaking cool.
You gotta re-unlock it.
Oh. Stop! Seriously, stop. I didn't do this to you.
I'm literally on the edge of the bed. I'm trying to move you over. Skip. I fell.
I'll have to re-customize it.
Go back over. That's good. Stay. Stay.
Now I have to play the
Stay.
first door.
Stay against the wall. You're under arrest for making YouTube videos.
What?
Stay against the wall.
Ow.
What's up, guys? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's my everybody showing.
Subscribe to mine too.
They already subscribed to yours.
Ow, dude, stop.
If they're watching your videos, already subscribed. Get it right. Yep. Find your inner strength within. Stay calm.
Don't calm.
They just keep
He's weird. Trust me.
Hit me.
Hey, let's make a Beyblade video.
Okay, now.
That's what. Okay, spin.
No, ball.
Do some. Launch some Beyblades for him.
Yeah.
Leave my shoe alone.
There.
He's gonna launch some Beyblades for you.
No, I'm not. Not for them, for myself. This chair's about to get wrecked. I knew it. Now, guys.
Go. Go.
Go.
Stop.
Stop it.
Trying to kill me. Get some help.
No, you need help. You need
Really?
mental or physical?
He says he's gonna.
First I'm already.
Guys, I gotta go. Bye.
You don't gotta go.
Subscribe to Smoke After 3020, my man here. Notification, be on his notification squad, be his boy. Subscribe.
How many subscribers do you have?
And subscribe to my channel, please, and turn on my notifications to get more quality. Bye. Peace out.